Hi, I'm Ashley, Project Manager at Insulated.com. Today we're going to be introducing to you our brand new EcoStudio garden room. It's fully insulated so it can be used all year round. Plus for this year we've introduced new PVC windows and doors which greatly improve the heat retention and greatly reduce outside noise. If you'd like to come with me, we'll go inside. So as you can see, we've got a great space here inside this EcoStudio. The size of this one is a 12 by 10. They can be used for a variety of uses, from a home gym to a home office. I'm going to leave you with my colleague now, Louisa, who's going to run you through all the great benefits of having one of our EcoStudios in your garden. In the meantime, if there's anything else, if you have any questions or any queries, please do get in contact with me at www.insulate-it.com.
Are you looking for the perfect home office? Maybe a place to run your business, or you simply want extra space for you and your family to entertain and relax? Then EcoStudio is sure to suit your needs. The EcoStudio is supplied in a range of sizes. This EcoStudio is 10 feet deep by 12 feet wide, but we range from 8 feet wide to 20 feet wide. Windows and doors are fitted with UPVC 28mm double glazed toughened glass, complete with high security locks. Most importantly, the roof, walls and floor is fully insulated with high reflective EcoQuilt multifoil insulation. EcoQuilt Expert multifoil insulation is designed to reflect 96% of radiant energy. It is used to retain maximum heat in winter by reflecting the heat back into the building, keeping you much warmer in winter. Importantly, on hot summer's days, excess heat is reflected away from the building to keep you comfortable and cool. This problem is overlooked by virtually all other garden building manufacturers. The roof is covered with a single ply membrane rubber roof that has no joints, so you are guaranteed no leaks. The outer cladding is an attractive textured composite wood and resin material that is designed to be rot-free and is primed ready to paint in a colour of your choice. The internal cladding is a smooth matchboard finish and again ready primed to paint. Is designed to drill and screw into for hanging pictures and shelves. If you choose our turnkey option, we provide and install our full electric kit. This includes stunning external downlights that look great in the evenings. Our standard electric kit also includes all internal low energy downlights, brushed silver, recessed sockets and switches, all wiring involved, ready to be simply connected to your energy supply. If required, Ashley and his team can prepare your base right up to painting your EcoStudio, ready to move in. Here's how you get your bespoke price. Go to insulate-it.com, hover over Insulated Garden Buildings. Here you can choose to get an instant EcoStudio quote now, download the EcoStudio brochure, more about EcoStudio, or request a callback and speak to our project manager. You can then choose a size if you need a base, electric kit, laminate floor, internal and external painting. You can even choose if you require an alarm system installing. Simply add your phone number and email address and receive an instant automated, no obligation quote within 1 minute. When you request a quote using our automated system, you'll also receive a once-only discount code too. Once you have your quote, simply click on Call Me Back button or respond to the email. Myself or one of the Insulated team will contact you within the day and agree the details and arrange a suitable delivery date. To start enjoying valuable extra space, which the fully insulated EcoStudio offers, visit us at insulate-it.com composite.com, download the brochure and choose a size of EcoStudio to suit your needs from as little as £7,000.